Hi friends, my name is Mohanad and today we are going to take a lesson about two and enough. So we will start by two and then enough. So what is the meaning of two? Two means more than enough, more than its limit or less than its limit. So we use two in different positions. Two is used to mean more than sufficient or more or less than necessary. More than sufficient or more or less than necessary. For example, it's too late to stop him. Jerry was too young to watch a horror movie. This coffee is too sweet. We can also use too with much and with many. So much is always used together with an uncountable noun. For example, oil, water, milk, like this, nouns we use with it much. And we use many with countable noun. For example, table, computer, box, pen, pencil, anything. This is countable noun. For example, I drink too much coffee every day. They spend too much time on playing. I have too many people in the house. There are just too many cars on the road. So we can use too with many and much also. So I hope that you understand too. Now we will move next to our second part of our lesson, enough. Enough means that sufficient or as much as required. The correct number or amount. It is enough is opposite to two. Two means it is more than is sufficient or less or more than necessary. And enough, it is sufficient or as much as required. We can use enough with adjective, verb, noun. For example, are you old enough to vote? This is our examples for adjective. Are you old enough to vote? The exercise was enough for them to complete. You are enough tall to go to the tournament. Verb, you have done enough for today. This is a verb. We can also extend the place of verb and to. Here in adjective, you can see here that we have exchanged the place. Here, old, enough. And here you can see enough for them to complete. Here you can see also we use enough and then adjective, enough, tall. So we can extend the place of enough and adjective. In the verb, you have done enough for today. Make sure you drink enough to stay hydrated. And the noun, I made enough copies for them. He has enough money to buy a new car. So I hope that you understand and get a lot of information from this video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel.